Let's see how to write mathematical equations with hand in Microsoft Word. First off, we want to open Microsoft Word. And as you can see right here, we have our document ready. Now, let's say that we want to manually draw our equations, and Microsoft Word has that option. It has that feature, and we can use that by clicking on the Draw tab. And from here, click Ink to Math. And this window will pop up where you can write your equation in this field right here on this yellow field, which says write math here. So let's go ahead and try that out. Let's start with a simple 1 plus 1. And as you can see, that will also show up in the preview up there above. Now, when you click on insert, that will automatically insert your drawn text in equation field. Now let's try it with something more complex. Now let's try using parentheses. Now let's click on insert, and that worked as well. And that is how you can write your mathematical equations with hand in Microsoft Word. I hope this helped, and I will see you soon.